Themeforest Theme Upload Tutorial. How to install Themeforest themes on WordPress. Hello everyone, so in today's video, I will show you guys on how to install Themeforest themes on WordPress. So, without further ado, let us begin. So, the first thing that we need to do is to just go to themeforest.net, and then what you want to do here is to just create an account and sign in. And then after that, once you're here, what you want to do is to just browse some themes that you want to download. So feel free to choose which kind of themes you want to use. So once you've chosen the theme that you want to download, I'll choose this one right here as an example. Just click on download right there and then just wait for it to finish. And then after that, what you want to do is to just extract the zip file that you've downloaded. I'll extract this one. Click on extract, click on extract again, and then there you go, we already have the extracted folder. So the next thing we need to do is open up the folder again, right click, extract again, extract, and then there you go. So after that, what we need to do now is just go to your WordPress website. So once you're in your WordPress, what you want to do is just go to appearance, go to themes, and then after that, what you want to do is just click on add a theme. And then once you're here, just go to upload a theme, click on this. And then what you want to do from here is just click on choose a file. And then just go to the download location and where you extracted your folder. So mine is in my desktop and it's in this folder. I'll click on this. And then what you want to do is to install the first one right here, the first zip. And then after choosing it, what you want to do is just click on install now. And then after that, you'll be redirected here. So it says right here, unzipping the extension archive, installing the theme. And then there you go. The theme has been successfully installed. And then after that, what we can do now is to install the child theme of the theme that you've downloaded. So let's just go back to the themes page. And then after that, just click on add a theme again, upload the theme. Go to choose a file, go to the location where you extracted the theme. Mine's on my desktop. Open the folder, open it again, and then just install the child theme right there. Install now, and then there you go. So it says right here, installing the theme. This theme requires a parent theme. We check if it's installed. The parent theme is this theme, so it is successfully installed, and the theme has been successfully installed. And then after that, what you can do now is to just activate the theme. So just click on activate right there, and then there you go. So it says right there that the theme has already been activated. So when I go to the site, as you can see, the theme is now activated. And yeah, after that, that's pretty much it. So yeah, that's pretty much it on how to install Themeforest themes on WordPress.